If Clash isn't starting in League of Legends after the Vanguard update, you're not alone. Players everywhere are getting stuck on queue errors, loading screens, or nothing happening at all. In this quick guide, I'll show you the easiest way to fix it and get back into Clash without missing your match. This issue is mainly caused by Riot's new anti-cheat system, Vanguard, which runs at a very deep system level. It can block Clash from launching if it detects apps running in the background, outdated drivers, or conflicts with Windows security features. Even legit software like Discord, MSI Afterburner, or some antivirus tools can cause problems. That's it. One of these steps should get Clash working again so you don't miss your match. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming guides. Thanks for watching and good luck in Clash.